Hey everybody, John Hines here of the Monkey Bar Gym. I just wanted to make a video to just express what we've been about since day one. A lot of people with the recent posts that I made showing Kaepernick and the cop who was killing George Floyd up in Minneapolis, they took it as I'm saying that all Americans are racist. Nothing could be further from the truth. I'm saying that we have a serious friggin' problem here in the United States of racism. And some people think that how can you prove, that this is racist act by this cop? Man, look at the evidence. My brother was killed. He's a black man. He was killed by cops. I've seen it every single year. Spike Lee just made an amazing video showing that the amount of killing of black people in America is off the charts. If you seriously have to think that racism isn't a part of that, please watch the video that Spike Lee recently made. It's on point. There's another video that was on CNN that literally is showing almost every 6 months to a year for the last 15, 20 years, a black man has innocently, or a black woman has innocently, or a black kid has innocently been killed incorrectly. It's just ridiculous. Like I said, my brother was shot and killed in 2004. Didn't have to be killed. I just seen it too many times. And what we are about, what I've been about since day one when I opened the Monkey Bar Gym 20 years ago, was people helping people, people helping planet. I never really cared too much about, I've always been about performance. I've never really cared about just aesthetics and getting all jacked and stuff like that. I lived that out in LA and I saw enough of it, and it just literally made me sick. I've always been about how can I help make this world a better place? And I thought, well, tons of people work out. And when I learned from my yoga master, Roger Ishins, he taught me how to help another person while we're doing yoga, and how that back and forth really benefits each practitioner. So then I asked him, can I apply this to my workouts and my yoga practice? And he said, yeah, that's a brilliant idea. So that's what the Monkey Bar Gym was founded on. And I started thinking about that, dang, if this works in here and so many people around the world work out, why can't we make it something like that where people help each other in a healthier manner working out as well? And so I started the gym 20 years ago. It was all about working out with other people, or with another person, people helping people. But then I started to think about, damn, the yoga that we do is unique. It's about getting the whole body to work together actively. The workouts that we do, it's unique. It's about getting the whole body to function and to do a skill, whole body. So, and then the third part was whole food. Eat whole foods. It's the healthiest things for you. If you eat them, you'll become stronger and healthier and live a longer life and be more energetic. If you eat more processed foods, you won't. So that's how I got the premise of people helping people, people helping planet. Because most all of us exercise, or should in some manner, every single day. But if we start to think collectively instead of dividing one another, then we can become healthier individually, as well as helping each other, as well as help the planet as well. So my mindset from 20 years ago was a term that I called collective power. Collectively is what we're all about nowadays, is that I'm trying to get people to unify, to support and fight against racism, to be protest against it and speak out against it. Have cops that know that other cops are bad speak up against it, like that awesome police officer did up in Minneapolis. That was awesome. And then you're seeing cops in New York City stand up with the citizens. That was awesome, because that is what it's about, is unifying and everybody standing together. Malcolm X once said, separate we're weak like the fingers, together we're strong like the fist. That was one of the most inspiring things I have ever read. And I use it to this day with my training, with the foods that we eat, and with the way that we help each other out. If we can help one another out, and we can stand up for what is right and stand against what is wrong, we are collectively bringing power to people and planet. And that's all I'm trying to do, is promote that through my avenue, which is health and fitness. If you got a problem with that, then you got a problem with me, because I'm just trying to spread a message of positivity and collective power and unity, and fight that which is wrong in this country, in this world. Peace.